What if there was a platform that could revolutionize the way you manage your finances, all from the comfort of your smartphone? A platform that's not just about transactions, but about empowering you to take control of your financial future. Well, my friends, that platform is Favepay. Imagine a world where your money works for you, not the other way around. A world where you can effortlessly save, invest, and budget, all in one place. That's the vision behind Favepay. But what exactly is Favepay? It's more than just a digital wallet, it's your personal finance assistant. With Favepay, you can seamlessly send and receive money, transfer funds to friends and family instantly, regardless of their bank. Pay bills with ease, forget about long queues and paper checks. Pay your bills online with just a few taps. Save smartly, set up automated savings plans to reach your financial goals faster. Invest wisely, access a variety of investment options, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. Budget effortlessly, track your spending and set budgets to stay on top of your finances. But the benefits of Favepay extend far beyond these core features. It's also a platform that prioritizes your security and privacy. Your financial information is protected by advanced encryption technology, ensuring your peace of mind. Favepay is also designed to be incredibly user-friendly. The intuitive interface and easy-to-navigate features make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Favepay is the perfect tool to help you achieve your financial goals. It's time to take control of your finances and unlock your full financial potential. With Favepay, the future of finance is in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.